Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am show you all the different ways to take screenshot in Windows 11, whether you want the whole screen or just a part of it. So let's get started. So firstly, we are going to which screen will capture. For example, this. Then we are press the button on keyboard, print screen, and drag the area which you want. That's it. The screenshot will be captured. If you want to see, simply go on File Explorer. Here you will see Gallery, and that's the screenshot which will capture. The second method is using Windows plus print screen. So this is for whole screen. For example, we need whole screen print screenshot. Just press the Windows button plus print screen. The whole screenshot will be captured and saved to gallery. Here it is. You can check this, the whole screenshot. Yes. The another one is snipping tool. With the help of snipping tool, for example, click on search bar, type snipping, click on new, drag the area you want to screenshot, and that's it. You can edit in paint also if you want. For example, add a circle or highlight something according to your need. So this is also save in galleries. The another step is Windows Shift plus S. With this help, Windows Shift and S, you can screenshot. It will also save in the gallery. Another is one for using game bar. So press the Windows plus Z to enable game bar. Here you will see all the game bar settings. Click on camera button, screenshot saved. You will check, create a name or open file location. So here in videos capture, here the screenshot which will, and that's it. And that's it. Those are all the ways to take screenshot in Windows 11. Whether you like keyboard shortcut, built-in tool or apps with extra features, there's a method for everyone. If you find this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell icon for more videos tip. See you in the next video. Thank you.